What's the meaning of blue? Blue. Blue.
Blue. Blue. Blue is a color that is often associated with feelings of calmness, serenity, and tranquility. It is one of the primary colors, along with red and yellow, and can be found in nature in the sky, the sea, and many types of flowers. In art, blue has been used in a variety of ways to create different moods and emotions, from the peaceful blues of a pastoral landscape to the dramatic blues of a stormy sea. Blue has also been used as a symbol for loyalty, wisdom, and intelligence. Overall, blue is a versatile and complex color that can evoke a wide range of emotions and meanings.